Hello there. I have an update on the Core 2 Duo thin case system that I got just a few days ago. First of all, I got a dedicated DVI cable that I bought at a quote-unquote junk store for about 200 yen. So, no real good reason to buy these new, especially probably because they'll work as is. Also, as previously shown, I installed these 1GB SODIMM memory modules into the system, and got a total of 2GB of RAM on here. Since this machine actually supports up to 8GB of RAM, I went ahead and looked around for some 4GB memory sticks, and after searching about probably 2 hours, I was actually able to find some 4GB SODIMM memory modules, PC8500, which is 1066 megahertz. So I actually purchased 2 of these to bring this system up to 8GB of RAM. So I guess I'll go ahead and give that a shot. Alright, I guess we can just start opening the case up and get our memory modules out first. So these are previously installed memory modules, which probably aren't going to be too easy. Well, I guess easier than I thought to get out. Okay, then we've got to take these memory sticks out. Surprisingly, this case is very, very easy to open. The package, I mean. And the memory comes out, very easily. And then we'll go ahead and install these. Right? Helps to get in the right way. That's good. And the second stick. Oops. Doesn't look like it's in all the way. Alright, second try. I'm gonna get the second stick in. Doesn't want to go in all the way. Let's see. Alright, I guess it's in well enough. Alright, I guess I'll plug it in and see if it boots. Alright, the system is ready to go, so we'll see how it goes. Might help to turn the monitor on first. Alright. Maybe I pressed the pause button a little too early. Okay, that was a little too quick. I'm going to try rebooting. Try to catch that again. Control-Alt-Delete, the 3-finger salute, as they say. Alright, extend that memory count. And looks like 8GB to me. Press that pause button right in time. Okay, 8GB of RAM. Awesome. Memory frequency DDR 1066. Dual channel. Awesome. So these new memory sticks are in fact working. So I guess I'll take a look how it looks in the BIOS. Good. The BIOS is opened up. And surprisingly, it's got the time pretty well recorded. Of course, I don't have anything plugged into the IDE channels, so those don't show up, but as you can see, 8 gigs of RAM. So it turns out that the RAM was actually 4,700 yen, including text. So it turns out the memory modules cost more than the system itself. So go figure. So it looks like it's in pretty good shape, actually. So it's got a pretty good feature set. It also looks like it seems to have virtualization support, I think. On-chip IDE device. SATA mode IDE. Oh, I see. This thing supports RAID as well. Wow. Interesting, considering it doesn't seem they can fit a whole lot of drives in there to me. Cool. So it seems to have some fan controls as well. And the current temperature is 39 degrees with the case open. Might be interesting how it works with the case closed. So the case is now closed. Actually, this is how it sounds with the case closed. I don't know which way I like it better, with the case open or closed in terms of the sound. Yeah, it's definitely quieter with the case closed, that's for sure. This makes that muffled noise. And aside from that, it's not bad. So yeah, there we go. Luckily the system boots. It's getting nice and toasty. Aside from that, looks like it's in pretty good shape. So maybe next step is, in fact, installing an OS and see how it goes. Thanks for watching.